All right, so I went to an event this past week and I got introduced to these Cactus Crunch, if you guys can see. So, cactus by itself, I actually like it because with beans and because I'm Latino, but this is made from it actually, and it's gluten free on this one. All right, it's a women-owned business. So if you guys see these chips, please help support. Buy them out. Cactus is green tortilla chip, sea salt, added flaxseed seeds, so you're gonna be able to see some of that. Made with real nopal, right, and spinach. So not only are they gonna look good, but they're also gonna be healthy for you. What? Let's open one up. And to open it up, of course, it's gonna be a little hard. So let's see. I have to open it with this. Let's see. So we're gonna open it up. Taste chip for the first time. I'm gonna show you one of the chips first of all. All right. First of all, look at this. Looks like a real chip, and it is a real because it is a real chip. All right. So this one, let's see. Read some of the ingredients in here and what can it do and what's so. While we enjoy it, actually, it's real light. Let's see. Great snack. It is, it sure is. Now, they did have different flavors. I choose this one because the other one was jalapeno, and jalapeno is a little spicy sometimes. It depends, it's a hit and miss. But this one with the sea salt, it's actually pretty good. It's light on the salt, all right? You know what's missing? A dip. So you could trick your kids into eating chips. These are pretty good actually. And here, you can actually see the seeds there. So if you guys ever see these, help support them, We need more stuff like this out there. These are good, a little bit better than good, better than the other brands. But at the same time, keeping a small business alive too. So help support them. Hope you guys enjoy this video.